mentaka singi kripai ba hakane nong ba shlong klemi ban penlong yak jing yakhi ka ba jai hadum square ban pen pau yak jing persya hak be dei bak jing lai tu jing kli ki ba dei ba exam national eligibility com entrance test ban yo ban lik pule doctor hakane jing khi ka long shi ban dar ban kersyan yak jing khi usona monchuk bat ki briu ki ba dang beteng yak jing khi menta hanong ba delhi hajantar mantar ki ba dang yai beteng bandawa ban pen bha yak pule puthi hakari india kawe ne ka long kmi ka long ba ki kwa ban ba ka sarkar preng kan pen bha yak jing pule hakari bar kumjuru hakane jala meklia ka bla pau ha ki por bla le kum ka shlem jong ka pule puthi kat ba menta kala hyar kum balong ka jala bihar kane ka jing khi ka long bandawa ban pen bha yak jing pule henrei ha ka jaka ban pen bha ki thalat ban le ai yak ba yakhi ka jing persya ka jong ki ka long yak jing long jing man ka jing penya yak jing pule puthi hakari kane ka jing khi ka bala penlong menta ka singi ka long ban kersyan yak jing khi hadelhi bandawa na ka sarkar pedeng ban penbha yak pule puthi hakari hi borogwei kane ka jing khi kam dei ta hanong ba delhi dei ka long ru hakeleng ki banta jongkari india ka ba ki samla pule kala khot yak kane ka jing khi
ni bahadu menta bali ki sarkar hiya sngap mo especially Narendra Modi kata ki hajaru ki khanna la ya don protest kata sni hapo Delhi jantar mantar bali hadu menta ki asngat kadai tharai ki makiru ki ale bakla namar kata tharai amjukwa hire baniara bi students.
Some important concerns regarding the lapses and gaps in the education system in India, and there has been protests, as you know, and hunger strike in Delhi, and we're in solidarity with the hunger strikers and with students across India whose futures depend on the education system. And education is such an issue that is important for many reasons. It reflects the status of democracy in the country. It reflects the status of class structures and minority rights, and it's something also that concerns every section of society across divisions. So it's a very, very central issue, and we are, as you can see, with the amazing turnout on such short notice, it's a cause that really affects and is important for everyone here.
So if you can tell us
There is no organization. This is a people's issue. This is everyone who is concerned about the problems that we are facing who is turned out here. In fact, I don't know majority of the people who are here, and vice versa, I think, so yeah.
In hunger strike for the justice of the students, as we came to know that so many children, so many students, they kill themselves because of the leakage of the papers, exam paper. It is a very sad to hear that our society is still quiet, our ministers are still quiet. Especially my message to the education minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, please do the resignation. That is it.